Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2020 Audi Q3 Premium Plus S-Line. It's a single owner, clean title, clean Carfax car. It's got, I think, 24,000 miles on it. It's got the Audi factory warranty until December of 2023 or 50,000 miles. We can finance it through Cuddle. We can put an extended warranty on it, and we welcome trades. So we bought this because of the optional equipment in the color. We love the Pulse Orange. Also a 40, I think it's 45.7. MSRP is a big number on a Q3. It's got all the stuff we would want. It's got adaptive cruise and blind spot, and it's got a sport interior package. It's got Alcantara interior trim package, which ironically is only available in orange. I don't know why they did that, but on this car it matches perfectly. So upgraded wheels. We're missing the cover here, so we're in the process. That was a transport thing that'll get replaced. So that'll be intact. You've got guards here for rock chips, also on the front, so those are nice. Those were dealer installed. And the rest of the car is super clean. You have a backup camera, front and rear parking sensors. Of course, it's all, so the interesting thing about the Audi stuff, it's all Quattro. Their competitors, BMW, Mercedes, Jaguar, or all make rear wheel or two-wheel drive SUVs. So if you're getting into the entry-level stuff, some of those are front wheel and some of them are rear wheel, but they are not all wheel. And Audi's Q3s are all Quattro. So that's nice. It is an S-Line, so we have exterior trim packages, and it's more of an athletic look. Super clean. Paint's in good shape. It's got a panel roof on it. Got tinted windows, and there's your trim. So this is what I was talking about. This is an upgrade, and I don't know why they only made it available in orange, but they did. And it just so happens it matches perfectly with this car and this interior. So that's nice. So Audi beams or rings, that's an upgrade. You have illuminated dorsal with the S-Line badging. Again, super clean. Upgraded seat covers. So you have an embossed S. So upgraded leather product on the seat. Super nice. Passenger side door, clean. Passenger side seat, clean. The dash is clean, so Bang & Olufsen sound, which is nice. That's an upgrade. And then again, the Alcantara trim, interior trim in the orange is a perfect combination for this car. I've got one key. I have books, and I have a Monroney label, but not the original window sticker. So keyless go, push button start, passive entry. Let me move this seat up real quick. So you've got a wireless charging here with Audi. Your transmission, electronic parking brake, charging, USB or jacks here, hill descent control, parking sensors, auto start stop. You can turn that off, traction control, and then your drive select. So this is going to allow you to go through and choose a setting for how you want to drive, so you've got comfort, auto, off-road, and dynamic. So that's nice. Audi drive select. You do have dual auto climate control. You have dual heated seats. So this is a touchscreen interface. It's got one of the most impressive things about this. So panoramic roof. I'm going to close that just so it gets quiet. But I think that one of the best things about the Q3 is the technology on this is equivalent to most mid-level SUVs. So you've got Bluetooth, you do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you have navigation, you've got backup camera, and then your ability to change the setting on that. Vehicle, so messages, weather. So this is, you do have access to Wi-Fi here if you can connect with that. And then user stuff, messages, text, news, typical internet stuff. So again, all touchscreen. So phone apps, shortcuts, so positions or things that you can set up here just so you can quick. So that's a navigation thing where it's just going to take you home automatically. That's been cleared out just for the privacy stuff. Media, so this is your interface for music, streaming audio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, etc. Radio. Oops. Trying to think what else. All high definition, which of course is going to be standard. Your vehicle, so climate control lights, visibility settings and service, driver assistance stuff. So speed warning, adaptive cruise, distance warning in front, presense, which is Audi's blind spot, or front collision warning, side assist, Audi side assist, that's the blind spot, lane departure in case you're changing lanes and are not aware of it. Adaptive lights, interior lighting. Really straightforward, easy interface compared to a lot of stuff. You have paddle shifters, so you have an upshift on the right, a downshift on the left. On the right you have Bluetooth, voice activation, and a button here, programmable for whatever you want. And then this is nice, so you'll see the navigation display. This changes the view and the information you're going to see that's provided, and then you can scroll through the middle content, you know, with this button here, and then change your settings or your display, however you want it to read. Pretty nice. So auto headlights, front driving lights, wipers, intermittent wipers, lane departure. You do have home link, so there are do we have home link here? I don't see. Should be 3. No, I don't know. I don't see home link. So you do have compass here. Let me turn that off. I think of what else, if there's anything I missed. So books are here. There's an extra keychain in there. Really straightforward stuff. I mean, just, it's a hard car to beat for the technology and the optional equipment and the price. And I will say, as far as entry-level SUVs go, I think this is probably the top of the line option. As far as the German stuff or European stuff goes, I think it definitely brings the most to the table. And of course, if you're in the Pacific Northwest, the Quattro system is just hard to beat. They literally would go anywhere. So anyways, if you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to get in touch with us. We can be reached at 503-227-2354, and thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.